Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code It. Today in this video I am going to show you how to write a letter in Canva using the docs and also how you can type anything inside the Canva docs. Also I will show you how you can use AI inside Canva and write letters using AI. So, guys, this will help you to fasten the process of writing letters or even like for creating any documents for your internal purpose or even for external purpose. So, guys, before starting with the tutorial, if you are new on my channel, then please go ahead and click subscribe button down. Also, press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. So guys, once you log in into Canva, you are going to see a page something like this. So first, you have to open canva.com and then create an account on canva.com using social login like Facebook or Google. If you already have an account, then log in into your account and this is the page that you are going to see. Now, in order to type letter, you need to click on docs option over here. So this is the area where you can create a new doc. So you have an option called doc and they are saying once you hover on top of it, it shows start writing. Click on this. It will open a new blank window in the browser. So guys, if you see, this is the document where I can type anything like a letter or something, or even I can type essay if I want. So now I'll explain you about the interface. So over here on top we have option called file. Over here I can click on create a new design to create a new design. Then I can import a Word file. Then I have the settings. It shows this page layout and all. Similarly, I can download or make a new copy. Then at the left side we have templates. I can add different types of templates that I want. So basically, if I want to write a resume, then I can create. So if I just need to select the resume, and I'll get different types of formats. So it shows professional resume. So this kind of resumes I can insert. So you just need to click on the template over here. Then guys, you have the elements. You can insert different types of elements that you want, like curve or something, even images and all. Then under uploads, you can see all the images that you have uploaded. And under projects, you can also see all your projects that you have created in past. And if you want to integrate third-party app, then you can do so. Like you can insert, integrate pixels, Pixabay, and all. Now let's create a normal, what you call it, a document. Later on, we'll create a document using the template. So let's type something. So I'll say this is my first document on Canva docs. So guys, this is how we write. And over here, if you see, there is an option called add magic. I'm going to tell you about this option later on. Just watch this video till the end because this video will helpful to you creating a beautiful looking documents using the help of AI inside Canva. Then guys, let's talk about the elements inside the document. So you have option called over here font family. Or you can select different types of font family over here. Just need to click on these fonts over here. There are different types of font families, and you have the text styles also. Then you can increase or decrease the text font size. So just need to select and then you can increase or decrease. This works similar to MS Word. Then you can change the text color whatever you want. You can also make it bold. Since this font family is already having bold, this is the reason this bold option is disabled over here. You can select any other font family. So I'll show you. You can select this. But again, I'll need to change the font family. So let's select something normal. So I'll select this one. Now guys, if you see, this bold option is enabled. So now let's make it bold. So there you go. You can make it italics, but for that you need to select the text first and then say italic. You can make it underline also. And you have strike through options. So whatever options you get in MS Word, you get all the things over here. Then you can align the text to center, left or right. You can also give add the list points. You can even increase or decrease the indent. Then you can change the spacing. Also, copy style option is also there. Like this will help you to copy a style of the previous line. Like if I say this is a new para. Now, guys, if you see the font family over here, the font size is different. So also let's change the font family also. I'll make this something like this one, and I'll remove the underline, strike through also. Now if you see, this particular text is having different formatting, and this particular below line is also having a different font formatting. So now I want this particular font, whatever formatting is there for this particular line. So how do I do so? For that, I need to select the whatever line that I want. You can select also the word, particular specific word. Then click on this copy style, and then you're going to get a mouse pointer like this. Then just select the text for which you want to give the styling, and then click out. So there you go. You have got the same font, basically formatting for the this particular line. This is how we can do the font formatting also. Now guys, I'll show you how we can make use of AI. For that, we need to click on this particular plus button. There you go. Then you get a search anything option over here. You can basically search for, I can say, what I'll call it, I'll say India, and I'll search for, I'll press enter. See, you got the Indian flag. I can insert that also over here. I'll press enter. Again, we are getting this plus button. Similarly, we have an option called magic write. Yes, guys, this magic write makes use of artificial intelligence AI for writing. So let's click on it. So guys, in order to use this feature, you need to be on the Canva Pro plan. But on the Canva free plan, you almost get 47 to 48 credits, which you can use for writing inside the Word. So let's write an letter. So I'll say, so let's give a prompt for writing letter. So I'll say, my name is Anthony D'Souza. Okay, and my address is Mira. I'll say, I'll give house number. House number 341 Mira Road, Mumbai. Okay, then I'll say I have bank account in Bank of India, and the bank account number is 0000111, and branch name is Mira Road. Okay, so this is some information I have given inside the AI. Now I'll say, write a letter requesting Bank of India, okay, to issue me a new debit card and block the old debit card as I have lost it. So this is how I have given the prompt. Okay. So now let's press this particular generate button. As soon as we press, the magic happens. Using AI, Canva is writing the letter. So there you go. This is how Canva is writing the letter. You can see whole details over here how step by step it is adding the line. So now let's wait till the process gets completed. So guys, similarly, you can use make of AI inside Canva to fasten up the process of writing letters or even creating any kind of documents. So now we need to click on insert. If you want to try for another response, then you need to click on retry. It will generate a new response. So now let's click on insert. As soon as I press and insert, you can see the basically the letter got inserted. So now let me remove this first over here. Also, I'll so they are saying that replace whatever it's there inside the box. Basically, these curly brackets. And now let's remove this line. I'll remove this also. I'll say I remove your address, date. I'll give as today's date. I'll say date, and today is 4th April 2024. Also, I'll remove these brackets. So there you go. So guys, if you see, it has written a proper letter requesting the Bank of India to issue a new debit card and to block the old debit card. So let's see. It has written the name, address, date, then the bank name, then bank address also, subject, then salutation and proper details like paragraph requesting the bank to issue new debit card. It has also given the account details also. And at the bottom, if you see, it has given a proper ending also the information. So I'll say right contact number 9 whatever and give add a space over here to give to add the space. So this is how we can write letters or create any documents using AI. So now guys, let's press enter to add a new page, or better, I'll press Ctrl A and I'll remove this. Okay. Now let's make use of templates. So now let's create a resume. So as I already showed you how we can search. So I'll delete this. Now I'll click on resume. Then I'll say simple resume only. Simple resume and I'll add this one. So as soon as I add it, the resume got inserted over here. So if you see, I can change details. So I'll say Anthony. I'll say surname as D'Souza. Similarly, I can just click on it and I can change whole details. So if you see, if I just even select a text, I can make use of AI. So similarly, I can make use of AI and type all this particular resume. You can even change your signature. This is how we can add basically templates, and we can create resumes also. You can create mostly anything. Like you also have, I'll remove this. Then you can create something like posters, flyers, cover letters, reports. Even you can create a menu. So you get. So let me clear this first. So I'll say Control A. I'll delete. You can create a restaurant menu. So let's select this one. So there you go. And replace. So see how you can create a restaurant menu also. So this is how you can make use of AI, then you can make use of templates inside Canva in creating docs. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning about Canva, how you can make use of Canva to create docs and how you can use AI inside Canva. So guys, that's all in this video. Please go ahead and please the subscribe button down to support me so that I'll be getting motivation to give you more videos like this. Also, please like and share this video.